How to mount the Rottefella Xplore Leash to a pair of mountain skis. Push down the button at the front of the binding and place the bracket in front, ensuring that they do not collide. Using a pen, mark the location for the two screw holes. Using a 3.6mm drill bit, drill the two holes. Take your time and ensure that you do not drill through the skis. Fill the holes with glue. Use the recommended glue type from the ski producer. Place the bracket and screw in the screws using a T25 bit. Finish by tightening them by hand. Thread the wire loop through the bracket and back through itself. Fasten the carabiner to the boot. Now you can be sure that your skis won't slide away when you are entering or exiting the binding.